suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still. Beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 One step closer. One step closer. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Kumusta gen? Sana andyang atsuwa gen o mag-enjoy ka pa mo rin tsaka kalulungkot o dahil first time mong makalaot kami kay birthday mo. Basta lagi kang kaya gen, lagi kang mga tsaka lagi mong aliwanin sarili mo itang dapat lagi kang masaya, kaya ka masyadong mimisip. O wala, pang tagay na nakakanyang kain eh. Mamili-mili na kakarangalak kain eh. Nanumburi mo o itagay mo na yung kanyang yung 14. Tsaka kay nung itang pisabi na mo nung nagkuhanan yung miras geni kayong advance kayo na magbakasyon ang po'y mama po di pa matabi-abi ata na geni pag renta na kayo mong tukulangan tapos sabi-sabi ata muli yung kakata mo.
Hello, greetings from Singapore. Happy happy birthday, Carl. God bless you abundantly, my brother. Hope to see you soon and be with you, especially here in Singapore. Please enjoy and have fun in your day. God bless you abundantly. Miss you, love you.
Hi, happy birthday, Tito Kailan!
Say something. Say something.
Love you, Tito Kailan!
Ano ka? Lagi mo sinasabi, masabi mo miss mo siya.
I miss you, Tito Kailan!
Huwag ka naiiyak.
Oh,
Oh, ano ba gusto mo sabihin?
nothing.
You take care, please.
Take care.
Love you.
Love you.
We miss you.
Miss you too.
We miss you, sabi mo. We miss you, sir. Look at the camera. We miss you.
I miss you.
Very pretty. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Kailan!
Okay na? Darlan, happy birthday tung. Betwa na ka mang pabanuan eh. 28 na ka. Pero wala naman kayong itsura tung. Lupa ka pa ang 18. Yung dalangin ko kayong ginutong ganing kaya ang birthday na patuloy na kang ingatan, gabayan, pagpalaan na sana tong matupading pangarap mo kayong biye. Ingat ka gentong. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Ka? Happy birthday to.
Umuya ka sikya.
Pasalamat kayong Ginoo na kareta nga gana ka ng experience ko. Kuya mo, yan bisikleta o paglolo kaya pa mo magbisikleta na. Si Brian, kaya pa basketball. Teenager pa mayroong na akong basketball. Di ka itong para gultiling kaya ka binye experience ka na ako. Biras ko jeda, biras ka naman. Nga itong bado ko. Nga nung laralan mo kasakit ang tiyan ko. Pero makadyan mas high-tech yan eh. Mas malagway komunikasyon. Kaya nakalupan yung ako panahon ko. Nga sabi ko kaya ka itong agyo mo yan. Aldo kasabi mo na kaya mag. Napasalamat ko kaya kino. At lukong at lukong dela na experience. At yun na. Dave, di pa magobro. Ayasahan ke. Basta man yung ako yung makain mawido. Pero talentado naman. Lakad naman nababalo. Pahuli na mo ni pagbigyan ng pagpapala ka ako ni Gil. Daladakal salamat to. Happy birthday. Gil.
Oh, Carlan, happy birthday. Miss Daka Kenny. Sana nagyang makalawot ka. Masaya ka dyan. Malungkot pero katseting ang pangarap eh ganagan ang masakit. Tigisan mo man. Chuyesye Kenny, pasalamat ko may lipat na yung siyak. Bisem ne makain tigagan na kan kay obra na samasan mo ken paneda kang panalangin palagi kang manalangin mo rin at isipan mo na hindi na naka-favor Lord patse ating kang pamagtiis kung ating kang sakripisyong gagawan at tikit kaya gana-gana sana ay kamangaliwan na makus kayo. Happy birthday. Sana dakal ka pang birthday datang. At bado ko, palagwa mo yung panahon na biyabi-yabi at ang pasibayo. God bless and take care. We love you.
Hello, Dre. Maraming pwedeng sabihin sa'yo, pero kagamihan doon, alam mo na. Nasabi na sa'yo so many times. You've been a good friend to me. You've been very supportive of what I did, what we did nung nandun tayo. Masaya yung samahan natin. And sabi ko nga, we may forget the days that we were together, but we will never forget the moments that we shared. You know? Be safe kung nasaan ka man, and I wish you all the luck. I wish you all the happiness in the world. You deserve to be happy. And from Singapore. from Singapore. Happy birthday. I love you, pare. Love you.
Happy birthday, friend. Imingat na lagi yan.
My friend, happy birthday, my friend, happy birthday.
Sana lumigaya ka sa kabilang.
We miss you, we miss you.
Bayan.
Okay. Ano ulit?
Sa kabilang bayan.
Okay.
Sana lumigaya ka.
Si Renel. Oh, record. Happy birthday, Garland. Oh, yun na. Mga Garland, happy birthday, Papa. Yun na. Mga picturean.
Ayun yung kay Pogi na yan.
Oo, tapos na kaya. Kaya ulitin natin. Okay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Liz. Pre.
Brad, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hello. Big birthday. Heroes din.
Happy birthday.
Ayan.
Picture yun.
Kailangan ano?
Tulad yan.
Hindi. Bigyan video.
Multiple shot dapat sa akin.
Happy birthday.
Multiple.
Happy birthday.
Multiple.
Nakasan niyo naman yung boses niyo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mela. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Next year. Happy birthday. Oh, video to. Hey, Carla.
Si Carla?
Oo.
Birthday niya?
Carla, taga-Perde. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday, Carla. Happy birthday, Carla. Happy birthday. Ano na? Sino may birthday? Si Carla. Di ko kailan. Kaya nasa Singapore na. Sa Singapore? Wala! Ay, sa Jeddah. Ay, ano? Tapos pa kanya. Saudi. Birthday. Nang? Sakit ba niya? Birthday niya. Happy birthday, man. Well, happy birthday. That's all. Birthday niya. Sala rin. Oy, yes, yeah. Birthday boy. Nara ko. Dali, nakakagit. Lumamit ka mang bagya. Happy birthday boy, mula ko. Kay Churan. Lamig pa.
Ako muna bago ikaw. Asawa mo si Carlan eh.
Happy birthday boy. Watan. Aliway po yan. Yung mark ko lang yan. Oh, thanks.
Happy birthday!
Celebrate kami? Yeah. Paano wala kayo sa Dubai? Kahit Europe. Wala kayo sa Europe para. Only in the Philippines. And the best friend.
Pasalubong ay best friend!
Best friend. Par, happy birthday. Tanggapin yung mga babae nila. Wala, seryoso tayo kayo. Lalala mo ba yung picture? Bakit?
Ala ka! Hindi ko pa kayo safe!
Pagkalaway, pabili ka na.
Bango pa Happy birthday!
Total, ingat na agad ha. Ingat! Makain tutungugin. Duraan ka ang buldulo. Hindi ko Dad, po naman magsita ka sa waros, lininga ka.
Hello! Happy birthday, Pak! Kala mo'y Basilio na yan. Mali ka.
It started out as a feeling, which then grew into a hope, which then turned into a quiet thought, which then turned into a quiet word. And then that word grew louder and louder, till there was a battle cry. I'll come back when you call me. No need to say goodbye. Just because everything's changing doesn't mean it's never been this way before. All you can do is try to know who your friends are as you head off to the war. Pick a star on the dark horizon and follow the light. You'll come back when it's over. No need to say goodbye. You'll come back when it's over. No need to say goodbye. Now we're back to the beginning. It's just a feeling and no one knows yet. But just because they can't feel it too doesn't mean that you have to forget. Let your memories grow stronger and stronger till they're before your eyes. You'll come back when they call you. No need to say goodbye.